right, so that's the first thing. Then I'm going to put on some borders here. I'm going to make the borders a little bit thinner. Bring it down to, I think a 3 can work. And I am going to remove the color because it's just a box for the heading. So I'm going to put on some text. I'm going to go ahead and jump title. Just include a title here. Publishing checklist. All right, I'm going to make it a little bit smaller so that it can fit inside the box. And as you can see, the purple line in the center is showing that it's centered. And there's another faded line here where it's a dashed line. So it's showing you that the title is centered in the box horizontally and vertically. All right, so you can go ahead and change your font. Let me see here. I'm not going to spend too much time on this, but you can just play around with it and you choose whichever font you think is best. That one's a little bit too small for what I have. Anton, one of my favorites. We can work with Anton for now. Of course, you can play around and choose whichever font you prefer. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do based on my list here is to have section 1 pre-publishing steps. All right, so I'm just going to use the same thing here and go ahead and write pre-publishing steps. So even though it's a checklist, I'm going to do some of the sections a little bit different because I want to leave some spaces for individuals to put information if they need to. All right, so